Long Island Game Farm is truly a special place. It's situated on about 30 acres in Manorville. It's been in Manorville since 1970, and it's just a beautiful family zoo with tons of animals. But I'm excited to tell everybody that I will be back for June and July every weekend. I'll be on their main stage. It's a beautiful amphitheater, and it's a great respite for you if you're enjoying the park with your family. And of course, I'll have all of the Nature Nick favorites. I'll have exotic mammals, I'll have birds, reptiles, a little bit of everything. So I do encourage you to come visit Long Island Game Farm at least one point this summer. Exit 70 off of the Long Island Expressway. It's about 20 minutes from the Hamptons. So I do hope to see you guys there.